Can't put it on Facebook though.
No.
There it is. Oh my god, and it flew. It flew right
And
at
it flew. There it is.
It flew right at the door.
Where is he?
Did you see
Here,
it?
bird.
Oh my god. Charlie, get out of there. Why would you go in there?
It's a bird, not an alligator, hon. Oh, wow.
It's a bird, not an alligator. Ew, Peggins, have you ever seen Alfred Hitchcock? Have you ever seen the birds?
There he goes.
Go and open up the back
Oh, he tried to go out the door. He couldn't make it. Look out, there's a bird in here. He's trying to get out.
There's a what?
There's a bird in there.
A bird?
Yeah.
What nonsense.
There's a bird in there. Look out, he's going to come flying out.
Really?
He may have knocked himself out on that last time he hit the window, though. Chloe, look out if he comes flying
There's
out.
a bird in there. Get out of there. He'll come flying. No, honey.
I think he may have knocked himself out, Maggie, last time he hit the window. No, there he is.
Okay, good.
There he is. Here he comes. Here he comes.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Get out of the way!
Oh, he just hit the window again. He's over by the window.
What the heck is that? How
It's a bird in
what
there.
type of bird is it?
I don't know what type of bird that was. Looked like a finch. Might have been a finch. Might have been a type of finch.
What?
Come on, finch.
The water's green and the land is blue. Oh, and the snow is black.
Here he comes. Oh, still in the window. Come on, bird.
How can you even see?
Maybe he won't come because he hears us and sees us. So come on this way. There he goes.
It's a crow!
There he goes.